All right, you guys have all asked for more content, teaching you guys how my business does over $4 million a year in wholesale fees in one of the most competitive areas in the market, Southern California.
I recently did 2 coaching calls with him, and I have to say it's been one of the best things I've actually done.
Scott Oots, who's been really instrumental with helping me and my team improve our lead intake system and our acquisition and our marketing.
Well spent hour. I would suggest anybody who's looking for within their business to reach out to Scott and set it up. It's we got our hours worth for sure. So
every time I've had a question for him, it's never gone unanswered, and he's giving me detailed descriptions as to what I can actually tweak and scenarios that I can run into, objections, things like that when it comes to cold calling, and as well as other questions that I have within my business.
I have a goal of 16 contracts a month on the year, and we've already gotten around 10 contracts in the first 11 days.
It's absolutely amazing. If I get the chance to do it again, I absolutely will. And hopefully that if you're on the fence, I highly recommend you guys taking the leap and booking the call with him. He's an awesome person.
Just wanted to give a big thank you to Scott Oots for his time and helping me improve the efficiencies and the overall performance of my business. Thanks, Scott.
Hopefully you guys get the exact same success that I got from the coaching calls.